Hey folks, this is Joshua with the Plugin Pub, and I wanted to walk you through a new plugin that I saw come out. I think this is one of the most kind of innovative tools that I've seen introduced into the WordPress ecosystem lately. It allows you to set up actions to take on your website based on events that happen, and you can check various conditions with those events before you perform the actions. You can set up bundles of rules. You can set up sub rules. So this is automation rules put out by Code Pharma. Looks like they have a couple things available on their website. Looks like they're just launching. They have some user docs here as well. But I want to take you real quickly through setting up a first rule and give you an idea of what this can do. So automation rules, I have it installed here. We're going to start a new rule. What I'm going to look to do here is I'm going to say, let's log edits on a post. So we'll add a comment to that post anytime someone edits it. So we're going to trigger this when a post is created or updated. We'll say the description, we'll just log our edits. So it gives me, here's the event, post is created or updated. It shows me that it's hooked into the save post action, and I have a whole bunch of tokens that I can use in defining my conditions and my actions that are taken. So we're going to set up a new condition here as well. And let's say I want to check to make sure that comments are actually enabled on this post first. So we'll check a truth here. I'm going to say the value is true or equivalent to true. And what I'm wanting to check is, let's see, event post, comments. Let's see if I can. It's not going to let me just kind of search that. Okay, here we go. Event post. Well, that's a parent post parent comment status. Let's see if there's just a post comment status. Yeah, there we go. Event post comment status. That's what I want to check for my condition. And I'm going to set up an action. So when the post is created or updated, if comments are enabled, I am going to add this action where I will create a comment, log my edit, perform this condition when the conditions are met. Okay. Assign the comment to, or the post to assign the comment to, so that's the one that we're editing. Parent comment, we'll just leave that be. Author, let's set this to global current user. Comment content, we're going to say updated by, and we're going to use one of these other replacement tokens. Just click here, you can see all of them that are available. A lot of global and post tokens. So we're going to say updated by current users login at, we're going to grab the local time. The date, let's say global, let's just say, we'll set it to the current time for the comment date, and we'll save that action. So we should be all set, I think. Let's save this rule. And you can see it gives me a pretty good overview of my rules. It shows that I have a single condition on this. I'm going to be performing one action, when it's evaluated, what action it's connected to within WordPress. If I wanted to add subrules, I could do that here. Shows I'm enabled. The priority, it's priority 10. I'm going to do one other thing. I'm going to go in and configure this, and I'm going to enable logging for this as well. So enable debug logs so we can see what happens when this actually runs. So now I have debug mode on. We're going to go to our post, and we're going to edit this. Let's, instead of hello world, let's say hello earth. Let's update it. And when we do so, we should see that a new comment has now been added. It says updated by type wheel April 30th, 15:55:52. So our rule appears like it had worked. We're gonna jump back to our dashboard here and see what we've got. So we can see our automation logs. We have it's run, so we have pretty good logging for this as well. We're going to inspect this just to see what happened. It kind of gives me an overview of what happened when it ran. So that's kind of an introduction to automation logs. Other things you can do, like I said, you can bundle rules. You can export them and import them to other sites. View logs, view scheduled actions, so things that may be scheduled for the future. It seems like a pretty cool tool. I'm sure there are plenty of use cases for it. I'm curious to see how it might be adopted. It's also extensible, so you can register other events for plugins that might be active on your site. So, there you go. That's automation rules for WordPress. Enjoy.